Hello everyone, myself Monisha Chare and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I'm here to talk to you about the topic that is permanent alimony. Maintenance is taken by the wife to fulfill her basic daily necessities in the case when her husband leave her or give her divorce. So to live her life, she demand maintenance, where her husband give her monthly allowance to live her basic life. There are two ways to take maintenance. First is section 125 of CRPC, order for maintenance of wives, children and parents, and other which is provided to them in their personal law such as Hindu Marriage Act. So if we look at Hindu Marriage Act, where section 24, where in any proceeding under this act it appears to the court that either the wife or husband, as the case may be, has no independent income sufficient for her or his support and the necessary expenses of the proceedings, it may, on the application of the wife or the husband, order the respondent to pay the petitioner the expenses of the proceeding monthly during the proceedings, such as sum as having regard to the petitioner's own income and the income of the respondent. It may seem to the court to be reasonable. And in section 25 provides any court exercising jurisdiction under this act may at the time of passing any decree or at any time subsequent thereto on application made to it for the purpose by either the wife or the husband, as the case may be, order that the respondent shall pay to the applicant for her or his maintenance and support such gross sum or such monthly or periodical sum for a term not exceeding the life of the applicant, as having regard to the respondent own income and other property, if any, the income and other property of the applicant, the conduct of the parties and other circumstances of the case. It may seem to the court to be just, and any such payment may be secured. It is necessary by the charge on the immovable property of the respondent. If the court is satisfied that there is a change in the circumstances of either party at the time after it has made an order under subsection 1, it may at the time instance of either party vary, modify any such order in such manner as the court may deem fit. If the court is satisfied that the party in whose favor an order has been made under this section had remarried, or if such parties in the wife that she is not remained chaste, or if such party is the husband that he had sexual intercourse with any other woman outside wedlock, it may be at the instant of the other party vary, modify any such order in such manner as the court may deem fit. These provision provide both for wife and husband. The Hindu wife is entitled to claim maintenance with any three type of maintenance method. In case of Rakesh Malhotra versus Krishna Malhotra 2005, this case is related to the section 25 of Hindu Marriage Act and section 125 of CRPC. Facts: the first additional district judge on 20/22/2030 decree of dissolution of marriage was passed and said that to give permanent alimony of Rs 13,750 per month. Wife also in parallel proceeding in 2005 filed the maintenance application under section 125 of CRPC, which by concerned court got dismissed on 30/6/2014. This court order was challenged by wife in High Court, and High Court allowed this plea and said the applicant shall be entitled to a further amount of Rs 5,000 per month. The said amount shall be payable by the respondent or husband from 30/6/2014, the date on which the application was filed by the applicant was rejected by the upper court, above means the trial court. This judgment was challenged by the husband in the Supreme Court. The issue considered by the Supreme Court in appeal was whether after grant of permanent alimony under section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act, can they grant maintenance under section 125 of CRPC along with Section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act? The answer given by Supreme Court was no. And the wife who filed for maintenance under Section 125 of the CRPC was earlier granted permanent alimony under 25 of Hindu Marriage Act cannot be entertained. So basically, if wife is taking money maintenance under Section 25 of Hindu Marriage Act, she cannot file the maintenance for the Section 125 of the CRPC. I hope you have understood this case. For more information and knowledge, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you.